Hey guys, my name is William. In today's video, we're going to go over the best SEO course. That's right, the best SEO course, the best SEO course. So we're going to be talking about this today. What's the best SEO course out there? I have a lot of students. I have almost 900 students that have went through my courses, taken my courses, specifically local SEO courses, agencies on learning how to sell and scale their business, etc. We're going to go through that today. So what makes our courses different? We have GMB Masterclass. We have GMB Reloaded. We have GMB Reloaded in the towing niche right now. We have CTR manipulation classes. We have pretty much anything and everything you can think of. We have people like Chris Palmer, Holly Starks, Michael Merlino, Brent Bowser, myself, Lane Hulk, Kevin Sy, and a number of other people that come into the group, and we teach and we answer questions. We literally take someone's business and step by step get it ranked. Take it from not ranking to actually ranking. You get to see the whole process, okay? So this is not like any other course. You see this stuff live, okay? So what's included in the GMB Pro bundle, right? In this GMB Pro bundle, you're going to get a 1-hour call with myself. You get private group access, okay, because every group we have has private access. You get all of my past courses, and I'll show you that. All of my future courses, such as the one that we just came out with, is how to make money with VAs. You get daily live Zoom calls. Monday is GMB. Tuesday is going to wind up being Lane with Signal Genesis. Wednesday is going to be CTR manipulation. Thursday is Chris Palmer, myself, and Holly Starks. Friday is Kevin Sy on scaling your agency and implementing automations. Saturday is Lead Snap with Patrick. Then Sunday we go over crypto with Dustin. Okay, the GMB experts, you get their knowledge. Okay, you get to be around in association with people that you would probably not have access to otherwise. Once again, such as Holly Starks, Chris Palmer, myself, Michael Merlino, Brent Bowser, and many others. Okay, you have lifetime access to all the recordings. We even have audio recordings of GMB Reloaded. Okay, you get all of my standard operating procedures and all of my current tools and future tools, such as the advanced schema plugin for WordPress, the advanced location proximity plugin for WordPress, the virtual assistant time clock, and the automated black hat backlinks program. Okay, so let me show you the back end of this. This is the Academy. Okay, the Academy where you would log in. If we were to log in to Rank Fortress Academy, well, this is what we would see. This is the first course. This is past courses. You would have access to all of this. Then this is the Scaling Your Agency course on how to grow your agency. This is CTR manipulation course. All right, and this is the GMB Masterclass Reloaded. We're constantly updating because Google's algorithm's constantly changing, unlike a lot of the other courses out there. Rank and Rent Partners, that's for my Rank and Rent partners specifically. Then you get the Google My Business Toolkit. Then you get the web design class. Then you get the YouTube domination class, GMB Reloaded class, which is our current GMB Reloaded. And then you get the Make Money with Virtual Assistants class and my standard operating procedures. And this is the one that blows the socks off of most people. Inside here, I literally give you every single SOP for every single process, week by week by week. All right. And the SOPs literally lay everything out for you. For example, how to do a call out, or how to do a iframe embed, how we do location pages, how do we do schema, all of that's there. And for instance, in the current GMB Reloaded class, I'll give you an example of this. If you look at it, you'll see you start here, we go through each and every class. And for example, in this one on day 14, we'll have the actual embeds and GMB reviews, how to do a call out, and links over to the standard operating procedure. And then we have the PDF SOP, which links over to the SOP, the PDF review site list, 140 sites. I mean, you couldn't get a better deal than this when it comes to a best SEO course to take. If you really, maybe you're new, maybe you're a business owner, maybe you're old, want to learn some new things, new hacks, new tricks, things like that. In the agency course, I go over how I scaled from 4 clients to taking on 200 to 300 new clients every single month consistently. In the CTR course, we go over some CTR manipulation tools. GMB Reloaded, that's once again Google My Business classes in which we go over different things, changes, etc. In that class, we took a client from being nowhere on Google to dominating a 30-mile radius in less than 6 weeks. Okay, the GMB Toolkit is some of my Google My Business specific SOPs. Web design class, we actually give you a template and teach you how to build your own website. In the YouTube domination roadmap, I actually teach you step by step on how to dominate your competition as a local business on YouTube. Okay, make money with VAs. We're actually going through that right now. We do that one Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. It's me and my right hand man, which is Fresnel, and then Becca. Okay, she runs if you will, a VA agency here in the Philippines, and she has about 60 VAs. I myself have about 60 VAs that help me, and we've scaled our agency from 4 until where we're at now. But for example, if you went into the old GMB Masterclass Reloaded, we went through it step by step by step. Literally everything. We got, I believe, around 50 videos just in this one. Yeah, 42 videos just in that one. All right, so we have probably close to 100 and something videos throughout this entire thing. So what you want to do is, and I'm going to put this in the description below, is go into there and get the GMB Pro membership so you can get into the best SEO course that there is out there and start ranking and start dominating your competition, you know, and changing those geo grids from red to green and making your clients happy. As always, my name is William, and I appreciate your time. I appreciate you coming here and listening to me, and I look forward to working with you and helping you learn SEO as a business owner or just as an SEO, and you're looking to increase your skills or whatnot. I'm here for you. Make sure, if you want this or if you have any questions, to drop your questions below. If you want the spreadsheet from the Google My Business Toolkit, audit sheet, anything, drop your questions below. Thank you very much, and you guys have a great day.
I have so many SEOs that hate me and say that I'm stealing their methods. They bitching and cry, labeling me SEO Black Hat. Was a nobody, now I'm at the top. Most wanted, most loved, bad business owners, and hated by most SEO opponents. You think you're an SEO god, but